In this video, I'll show you how to create a basic line graph in Excel. If you only need to see how to do one particular step, you can click Show More at the bottom of the description below this video, and click any timestamp to jump to that part of the video. And if you're building a graph of your own while watching, don't forget that you can pause and rewind at any time. Now let's get started. So I have a sheet already open. I'll go ahead and select the data I want to graph. I could just graph the snowshoe hare data, but I'm interested in the snowshoe hare and Canada links, so I'll select all three columns of data. Then come up here and click Insert. Remember that in Excel, graphs are called charts. I usually start by coming over here to Recommended Charts, and I'll choose Line Graph. Now let's click and drag to resize our graph to make it easier to work with. And we need to label each axis. So come up here and click Add Chart Element, then Axis Titles, and click Primary Horizontal. Now click in the formula bar, and I'm going to type Year, and I'll hit Return. Now for the Y-axis, come back up to Add Chart Element, then Axis Titles, and this time we'll choose Primary Vertical. Again, I'll click in the formula bar, and I'll type Number of Pelts, and since it's in thousands, I'll type that in parentheses, just like I would for a traditional unit like grams or meters. When I'm done typing, I'll hit Return. Now we need to give our graph a proper title by stating what's on the y-axis versus what's on the x-axis, followed by a description. So let's click on the chart title, click in the formula bar, and I'm going to type Number of Pelts versus Year for snowshoe hare and Canada lynx. Now I'll press Return. And with that, it looks like our graph is complete.